welcome to Ask Aunty. Aunty Munya, the question today is from an ally, and they hear people use the term blackfella, and they're asking as an ally, should they say something? Is that a racist remark if a non-Indigenous person uses it?
It's a complicated one, Carla. I always say to people, if you've grown up with our mob, like in Queensland, Northern Australia, and you use the term, then that's fine. And the little Aboriginal kids growing up with you don't have a problem with that. That's fine. But, yeah, when you haven't grown up with that, then it becomes difficult. Some people don't like you using it. So I wouldn't use it. But what do you think as an ally?
As an ally, in terms of me using it or not using it, even with family, and I might feel fairly comfortable, I tend to err on the side of caution and not use it. However, and then the question about whether I would interrupt, as an ally, interrupting racism, if I would interrupt someone else from using it. It's very difficult because you don't know the context in their relationship, and of course it depends on tone. And if it was a negative tone, then I would talk to that person about it. But if it seemed that was part of their rapport with the other person, I wouldn't. But generally, as a non-Indigenous person, it is a term that I wouldn't use, Aunty Munya, in any situation. A good question though.
Yep.
And Yiddigal Gona.
Go well.